Here we go. Here's an unboxing of this new Elite hunting bow for 2026. Elite Archery. Here's the VAROS, the 2026 hunting bow. This is the one in bottomland camo. Take off all the packaging. This is 32 axle to axle, up to 338 feet per second. Draw lengths are 25.5 all the way up to 31 inches. This one's in 65 pounds. It comes in 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, and 75 pound limbs. Up to 90% let off. It's a really nice bow. It's got the Picatinny for your sight here. It's got your integrate for your rest right here. It's got the LTR. This is adjustable. It's got the new splitters and the yoke system for your tunability. It's also got the set technology, the limb pockets here. It comes in the weight of 4.75 pounds. It's not bad. But there's the unboxing of the Elite VAROS. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.